If you're tired of paying for Spotify Premium, you can always downgrade or cancel your membership, but do keep in mind you will start to hear ads when you listen to songs, and there will be some limitations on whether you can download songs onto your iPhone, Android, etc. Let me walk you through the steps. It's super easy. The first thing we're going to do is open up Spotify, again on iPhone, Android. Tap on your profile at the top left. And then you can see right under Add Account is your plan. In my case, Basic Family. So just tap on your plan. And then next to Basic Family or whatever account you have, tap on Manage. From here, scroll down to the bottom. And you'll be able to see Cancel Subscription at the bottom, which will take you to a website instead of the app. Keep in mind, you cannot do this in the app. So tap Cancel Subscription. This will open up Spotify.com. And tap on Continue to Cancel at the bottom right. It says cancel your Basic Family plan. Keep in mind it will switch over to a free service when the next billing cycle ends and you won't be charged anymore. So just tap on Yes Cancel at the bottom right and you'll no longer pay for Spotify Premium. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.